In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Google Analytics to a Weebly website. Let's get started. Open Google Analytics and sign in with your Google account. Create a new property if you don't already have one. Then add a web data stream for your website. Enter your website URL and complete the setup. Once your data stream has been created, copy your Google Analytics tracking code or measurement ID. Next, sign in to your Weebly account and open the website you want to track. Click Edit Site to open the website editor. Go to Settings, then open the SEO section. Find the footer code field and paste your Google Analytics tracking code. If you're using a measurement ID, follow Weebly's supported integration method or add the required Google Analytics script that includes your measurement ID. Save your changes, then publish your website so the tracking code is added to every page. Return to Google Analytics and check the real-time report to confirm that your website is sending visitor data successfully. That's how to add Google Analytics to a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.